Hi, so over on our subsidiary channel TNT, I showed you how to get these out of speaker magnets and make this. It is just one of those with a piece of 8mm bar in it because, cunningly enough, it fits on a can, which is awesome. So if I put that onto a bearing like that, fill it with water, put some spouts on here, what we'll get is Hero's engine. Hero's engine is the earliest steam engine, about 50 AD I think. But it was another guy, Vitruvius, in 85 BC that first described it. So this is really one of the oldest steam engines, and you see loads of things on the net actually about how to make ones out of Coke cans. So I'm going to make it out of this baked bean can and a bit of a speaker, because what I want to do is attach it to this. So hopefully we can get that to be a steam engine and then turn this motor and use the world's earliest, simplest steam engine to generate. But anyway, the things we need to do. We need to put some holes in here so that one hole points this way and the other hole points that way. So as the water boils and the steam comes on out, it forces it round in a circle. Of course, that will be fixed on top, and because that's fixed on top, it's going to spin. So let's get some spouts in that. Okay, there it is. We're ready to go. So let's put some water in, strap it up, pop a motor on and see if we can get it to spin. Okay, that's it set up. There's my Hero engine, there's my generator. I've got attached here obviously to the meter, we've got an LED. I'll get the phone on there and we'll take a picture of that, and then we'll put some heat on there and see if we can get it to spin. Okay, I cannot in all honesty say that was the best generator in the world, but as a prototype, it actually worked. We were able to turn that motor and generate some voltage, even though not very much. So it'd be something to play around with. Now, I had to reduce the size of these. You can see it's changed. They've got these big caps on the end. These are stop caps, and I drilled a 1mm hole in. Because when the steam was coming out of those tiny holes, it had enough pressure to actually spin it. When it was the larger holes, it wasn't going anywhere. So this, the pressure of the steam coming out, was clearly very important. And I imagine so is the leverage on there. But huge fun, easy to do, and quite a few bits of experimentation to do there. Now I did whiz through some of the make. If you followed it, brilliant. If you didn't, then there's more in-depth video available on Welcome to the World of TNT, where I go into separate components and what I did to make those components and the skills required. So the link for that's in the description if you fancy having a look at things like how I did the metal spinning on the end here, for instance, exactly what I did with this, that sort of stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it inspires you to do some experimentation yourself, and thank you very much for watching. Oh, please remember to like and subscribe.